I know y'all have heard that a million times, but that was not done with a computer. It was done on this instrument called the TalkBox. And what the TalkBox is basically a speaker. I have a speaker down here and y'all see this tube, and the tube goes into the speaker. You plug it up into the keyboard, and then you turn the keyboard on. You know, you get your nice synth that you like, and then it comes out like this. Tonight, I just wanna take you high. Throw your hands up in the sky. Come on, throw your hands up. Let's set this party alright.